So this is day one of the sugar experiment. So this is the third thing that I'm going to try and detox from my diet and see the effect. See how I feel cutting things out. I started with dairy, and then I went to gluten, and now I'm doing sugar. So I guess I did dairy. It's been a while. It's been a couple weeks since I've done dairy. I think about 2 weeks since I've done gluten, and now sugar. I'm just kind of trying to get an assessment of how I feel, the effect it's having on my health, and just like my sense of self, and also not to mention like my skin. I've had like pretty problem skin for like 5 years now, and obviously there's genetics and things like that, but I know I'm just, I hear all the circulation and health world about what's, appropriate to eat and not. And there's just like a lot of hype about all these things. So I just wanted to give it a try and see how I feel. So today was day one. Apparently I've been reading that like day two and day three is going to be kind of hard. When I first started that not eating sugar, when I first started this whole thing, I just was telling myself, or I really feel like sugar is not really my thing. Like I'm not the kind of person that really like loves sugar a lot. I will eat it if it's there, but when it comes to, I'm more of like bread and cheese kind of girl. So, yeah, just a recap on the gluten. Gluten's been good. It's been fine. I'm just finding that I'm like just not having as much to eat, but I think I'm noticing some positive effects on my skin, and just like feeling overall better, like less like insecure, I think, but like not in the sense of, oh, like I'm feeling like trim and like insecure or whatever. It's like the way I can explain it is I just feel more present. Like, for example, if I'm like feeling like really good and hot or whatever, and I want to wear whatever I want, and like it's like I kind of want like to take pictures and like so everybody can see. And um, even though maybe I do feel more like trim, I feel more secure in the sense that like I don't really care if like there's pictures taken, and I don't really want to report to social media, how I look and stuff like that. So that's something I noticed. I just feel like more confident, but like in a sense where I'm not just I guess confident, like I'm not feeling the need to show everybody or appear in a certain way. So that's good.